This is version 3.0 of the AI vulnerability triage agent. So in this update, I moved the entire project into a full front-end UI. So and also added a downloadable PDF reports, which we'll see in a minute, and made the whole experience feel much closer to like you were talking to a real analyst on workflow. So in order to start it, we're gonna hit the initialize and fetch data, and this is can't see here, but in the back end, it's just fetching all the information from the Tenable API. Usually takes a few seconds to get all connecting with the server and making sure everything's good to go. So again, it's gonna spit out the first top 10 riskiest assets from the Tenable API environment. But again, that can be changed easily in the Python script. So yeah, so here it populates the risk overview of the top 10 riskiest assets. So these are the top 10, and it's based off the all of the scores. So the risk score, exposure, ACR. If it's entered exposed, it gives you more information. Has a SecHev, and then on the left bar we can see this is the whole total security posture of the environment. So a total of 114 assets, and then between those assets there were 248 vulnerabilities. So yep. So a little overview on that side, and then the other thing I added as well was the AI chat analyst. So now it's basically in the front end. It's no longer in the CLI command line. So I can ask questions like similar as before. What is the riskiest asset? And then it's gonna get the data. And again, this is powered by the OpenAI API LLM. So it's like basically like a full Q&A panel here. So it's gonna break down the most riskiest assets and then the priority score based off all the other aspects of it, and it gives you the breakdown and then like an explanation of why. And I could keep asking them more questions. So what plugin ID is the riskiest for this asset? Here. Okay, vulnerability associated. So it wants more information. So yes, you can just play around with it, ask it questions, and it'll feed back to it. And then a new addition that I added for the reports. Now, instead of having the report appear as a markdown file, now we have a full PDF format report. So you hit the button there, it's going to generate a report. It can either be based, if you haven't selected anything, just based off like this top 10, or you can also ask it from the AI chat analyst to like write your report of the whole conversation that you've been talking about. So once the report generates, it'll be here, and then you just click on download, and then here it is. So again, gives you the full overview, executive summary. I love all of the, well, in this case, the top 10 vulnerability with the plugins. So in this case, the report gave us the plugins. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think I'm gonna move to a different project after this one. So I'm thinking of doing a GRC one next. So hopefully you guys can see those as well. Have a good one.